On today's episode of Tattle Tales, we join up with our host F and his friend from Germany to explore the vibrant city of Kuala Lumpur.
Hey.
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm Victor. Nice to
I'm
meet you.
F, and
nice
this
to
is
meet
Sven.
you. Sven, nice to meet you. I'm Victor. What are we going to do today?
Okay, basically, I'll just bring you around the area and show you what I think the best about it.
Yeah,
All up to it, yeah?
Yeah, we're up to it.
Yeah?
Of course.
Let's go.
Yeah, sure.
Dua orang dengan saya nak tengok. Dia bawa lutut. Kena pakai, okay. Terima kasih,
Kena pakai?
Yeah, you have to wear it. Let's see what you get, man. You might look like a goat today, bro.
Oh, I like it. I like it. It's beautiful.
Basically, the name Kuala Lumpur means muddy confluence. Confluence means where two rivers meet, and this is one river, and then the other one, the Klang and the Gombak River. This is actually one of the oldest mosques there is in Kuala Lumpur, the city, and it was built by one of the sultans back in the day, and he just wants to, like put this location as a location where people pray and then where people study and then learn, like a hub.
Well, thank you so much for showing us. It's
Cool, man.
It's a beautiful place.
We're basically at one of the most historical and important spots for Malaysians. This is where they celebrate, or Malaysians celebrate, their Independence Day, Malaysia Day, and a lot more other festivals. This Malaysian flag here, right here, is the exact point where they first hoisted Malaysian flag in 1957, where they first gained their independence. So basically, this is what they call Kwai Chai Hong. The name is derived from Kwai Chai Hong, means like little naughty kids. This small alley is all about the art that try to bring back the ambience way back how this Chinatown or the old KL was. I have a lot of friends around the world and they always come and visit me, and then I'm always the one that bring them around. So from there I realized exploring my own city is actually pretty fun, and I get to see beautiful things that I don't get to see, before this. And since, I've got into it and start realizing it, so I figured it would be really nice to have more people and show them more about what I know about KL and why I think KL is beautiful. I think one of the beauty about the city is the diversity and the richness in culture. I think there's a good impact on myself as well, and I hope I'm giving out pretty good impact to my guests as well. Check me out on Tattle. Hope to see you guys in KL. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Cheers. Thank you for